Hey guys, welcome to episode 3 of We're Saving Money in the Car. So my name is Jeanette, and the reason why I cashed up is to save for 1 month of expenses. So let's get into stuffing. Okay, so I have my money here, and we are bringing today, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so we're bringing $30 to our car table, because I usually say to the table, but it's our car table. And in today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing our 100 savings challenge binder. So that's this big old binder here that I have created, right? It probably doesn't fit in there. I feel like we don't need our dice today. I don't think we do, but we do need our Missy cards. So I do have those, right? And they are right here. I think I'm going to just leave them to the side. Let me get my markers ready, right? And we're going to do $20 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. Right? So that's for our duck binder. Right. And hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah, we're good to go, I think. Oh, hold on. Okay. This table's giving me a little bit issues, but you know what? We gotta work with it, right? Right. Okay, so let's pick a card. Let's see where we're gonna go in our 100 savings, right? And I want to say thank you to you guys for enjoying these videos and just letting me know, like, yeah, I think you should keep this. So we are gonna continue with this. So let's see how far this goes. All right, so we are on number 28. We did pick 28 right here, right? I'm gonna put it there for now. And let's go over to number 28. So it's going to be this one right here with the roses. And let's do a total of, do I have my D3? I didn't bring my spinner either. I didn't bring my spinner for, whatchamacallit? The spinner for, oh my God. The spinner for my 100 savings. So let's do a total of like 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we done with this? Let me just bring it up close to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we need a total of $14 here. So you know what? Let's just do it. So 14. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we're adding $14 to this, and this is actually a completed challenge. All right, so we finished one, which is awesome. Let's put this in here. It's stuffed, so we're going to have to condense that, but we don't have condensing money right now. All right, so number 28 is done. So let's go. And I never picked up my other marker. It's in the car somewhere. So if you checked out yesterday's video, yeah, there's a marker on the floor, and I didn't even go check to find it. So this is our dark pink one, which is okay. All right, boom. So we did this one, right? And now let's go over to the second number, and that's going to be number 30. So let's go over to 30. And this binder is getting super thick, so I'm super excited. That means that a lot of challenges are getting completed, and I can't wait to unstuff this. I really can't. Okay, so we're up to 30, 30, not 38, 30, girl. Let's see, where's 30? 29, 30. Okay, so that's going to be this Happy New Year one, right? And let's do a total of, let's do $2. And I don't think I got a brown marker, but I have a black one. Let's do this black marker here. Okay, so let's do the two $1, and let's do the $2. So that's 2, 3, 4. That's $4 going in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this one has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7. Right? So how is everybody's Friday? I'm on the car line. I have about like a half an hour until the girls get out. And my son's in the car, but he's actually taking a nap, and he can deal with noise. So I'm like excited that he's taking a nap. But he was super tired. We did go to the park today. to play for a little bit before I got on like the car line, and it like burned him out. So he is sleeping right now, but again, he could take like loud noise and still be knocked out. So yes. Okay, 5. So I'm pretty excited that it's Friday. So I will be getting a lot of orders done today. And actually, this has helped me with orders as well, like getting them out quicker, because I don't have to wait until the afternoon in order for me to do a video. Okay, so we're going to do, let's do $2 in here. So let's color in this and this right here. So I can like take my time, because we're only doing this binder and we're doing our Adventures of Ducky binder. And if you guys haven't entered, and if you guys haven't voted in Bayesian Girls Budgets contest, I did enter my Adventures of Ducky, and she did show it. And I think it's open until today, and I think tomorrow she's announcing the winner. So if you haven't voted, I'm going to show you what my duck challenge looks like. You can go over to one of her posts. I think she has another post. You go to the Google form, and then you vote for whoever you want to win the Ducky challenge. So I'm excited to see who wins tomorrow. All right, so that's $2. I'm going to leave this over on the side, right? And that was number 5. Okay, I think it's actually, oh, that dried pretty quickly. All right, good. All right, let's keep on going until we run out of money. So we have a couple dollars left. $20 does go a long way in this binder. And this is actually the second time I'm stuffing it this week, which is exciting. So I'm actually adding more money to challenges, me doing the videos this way. Okay, so for this one, we're just going to do, let's do $3 on the bottom, right? Because I usually have my spinner to let me know 1, 2, 3, how many icons to do, but I forgot my spinner. All right, so in here, now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a total of $5 in number 15. Okay, let's put this in. It's been a calming Friday, though, I have to say. Like, I don't feel like rushed or, you know, doing anything because it is Friday. So, all right, there we go. And then the next card is going to be number 82. Okay, so we get to go to the back, which is good. So number 82. So eventually this binder is not going to be able to close. All right, so it's going to be a roll and save. And for this one, we're going to roll, let's do, I want to do a thin marker, right? And let's roll a D3. D3. Okay, so let's move this. Let's grab a little dice tower. I think she fits here. Let's see. She does. She's there. She's fitting. And we need our dice. And I'm going to use a D3. All right. So let's use our D3. Let's see. All right. So that's going to be a 2. Right. How much money do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's roll one more time. And another 2. So that's going to be $4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have $2 left. So I had $6. Okay, so this is the first time. Oh no, we did this one here. Okay, so this one I think I'll do like a D4, and then this one I'll do like a D6 to make it a little more, you know, heavier in savings. Okay, there we go. Right, and then we have $2 left. So let's put it in number 69. Let's just do that. 1 and 2. All right, and then it's right here. So it comes with 80 mini challenges and 5 A5 pages that have 4 of the numbers on it, a cover and the tracker. So there goes 69. And this is the cover for it, and this is the tracker, and you do get the binder as well, and it has 100 savings on the side of it. So that is that. Okay, now let's get into our Ducky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so let's get into our Ducky binder. Adventures of Ducky. That was funny. All right, so. Oh, I forgot my spinner for this too. Oh, girl, you all over the place. So this does come with a spinner. And your girl forgot the spinner. So what we're going to do is a total of 4 challenges. Let's use a D4 to tell us where to go. Because we have to plan to save in it. So let's just keep the show going. Here we go. All right, so that's going to be number 4. So 1, 2, and it goes by the tabs on the top. These tabs are pictured on a spinner, and that's how it tells you where to go in the binder, but we don't got our spinner, so we here. All right, so we left off here. We need a D6 for this one. Right, so let's roll our D6. That's going to be 4 spaces, and we need our blue clicky for this. That's what it looks like I used. Okay, so we're here, and 1, 2, 1, girl, we're here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's going to be $5 there. Okay, there goes all our money. There goes all our money. We're going to have like $5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. All right, so now in Ducky's vacation, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have $13. And I got to remind myself, next time I do this in the car, I have to bring my spinner. Okay, boom. So we have a total of $5 left. Let's see where else we're going to go. So we need our D4. Right? That's going to be number 3. So this is 1, 2, and this is number 3. Right? So this is dollar icons and $2 like raindrop icons. So let's go for, let's do a total of like $2 here. 1, 2. Okay. So we're adding $2 to this. 1 and 2. So now this is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5. Okay. There goes that. And then let's roll our D4 again. That's going to be 3 again. You know what? I want something different. No. We keep on getting number 3. I don't want number 3. Let's do this. 2. Okay. Okay, number 2 is here. We need a D6 for this. And I do have purse money just in case, because we don't do IOUs over here. So let's roll our D6 and see what we get. Okay, we got a 1. So I think we left off on this one. I think we did. So, oh, we did, because it has a little star there. Okay, so 1 is going to be $3. So let me go into my purse and get, oh no, look, $3. We're good to go. Okay, cool. So I don't have to go into my purse. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have a total of $16 and Ducky goes home. All right, so that is going to be it. Those were the 2 binders that I wanted to cover. I was going to do my coin binder, but yeah, I don't feel like doing it. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was fun for you guys. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I just want to show you guys that honestly, cash stuffing can happen anywhere. So I'm loving this series, right? I'm really loving it. And it saves me on time. And I also get to stuff more money. So make sure you stay tuned for episode number 4. And also let me know what you think about the thumbnail, because I thought it was cute with like all the money in the front and then me just like, hey, stuffing in the car. But let me know what you think about the thumbnail. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.